Jaguar, so it's got a black DPF. $27. We've just put our cleaner in there. Let's see how far down that can go. We can't change the configuration of what the pressure is read in on this, but it's just set to its normal value there, which is kPa, I assume. So that'd be 140 millibars, 130 millibars. So we should get that down to somewhere between 4 to 8. Ideally, I'd like to see it go under 5. And we are on 4. Now we're on 3, 30 millibars. Don't think it's going to go any lower than that. But basically that's where it was on idle. And on idle we would like to see a 0. Lots of smoke out there. Oh, we've actually got it down to 2. So let's go to the accelerator. And we've got, so once it goes under 0, you got like 0.255. And we'll go into the grams there. They've already been dropping for a fair while. Obviously, we've been accelerating the car for a fair few minutes. So we can see the grams in the soot there. Needs to be under 6. So we're currently on 26. And this is the 3.0 Land Rover Jaguar engine, 3 litre TD6. So once all of those values go down to 0, you shouldn't even have to clear any codes. It should just disappear on its own, all of those warnings. And this is what I'm using here. It's a Launch DPF gun, Launch DPF cleaner, and it's connected to a Milwaukee portable compressor. And that's it all sorted.